In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily change language on WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, we can open up WhatsApp app. And then if we go, let's say, to settings, we can notice that all system manners are now in English. And if we want to change WhatsApp language, we need to change the entire language on our device. In my case, it's iPhone, so we have to go into Settings, then General, then Language and Region. And that's where we can find the list of our languages. I got 3 languages, English, Russian and Italiano. We can add new language here. If we add language, and then we can choose any language from here. It may take maybe 5 or 7 seconds, and after that, new language is available to use. To set any of these languages as assistant language, all you have to do is just drag it to the very top, and then tap that continue. After that, it can also take up to 5 or 7 seconds, and then if we go back to WhatsApp app, we can see that all system menus are now international language. In the same way, we can set any language right from here. That's how you can easily change language on WhatsApp.